Welcome to this short product demonstration of the ASAPP OXP Origination Feature Sets, part of the most complete omnichannel experience platform for credit unions. The ASAPP OXP digital account origination capabilities include support for a wide array of account types. This includes everything from daily banking accounts, term investments, and lending account applications. The landing page includes all configured product categories, with products displayed within each category. These products and categories are fully manageable by client partners from within the back-end administrator panel, allowing financial institutions to easily add, remove, or edit available accounts at any time. On the right-hand side, an application ID and password section is displayed, allowing applicants who have started their application to pause and resume at any time and pick up right where they left off. Once one or more products are selected, applicants can begin the application process. The application process will automatically adjust the flow and information collection based on the selected products and their configurations. The following demonstration walks through a daily banking account application. As an applicant starts the application process, the first page will identify what information will be required during the application flow. The application login page will collect the email address, preferred branch, and the application password from the applicant. An application ID is also generated and communicated to the applicant, which can be used in conjunction with the established password to resume their application should they need to log out at any point. As soon as this page is completed, an in-progress application record is available that includes the basic contact information and selected accounts on the application, which is viewable to staff in the back end for follow-up. Next, the applicant is asked if they have an existing account at the financial institution. Applicants are then able to provide their member number and are verified through email verification, SMS codes, or digital banking integrations. New applicants are able to verify their identity leveraging the ASAPP OXP Identify biometric identity verification process. Through this process, applicants are able to use their photo identification and phone or webcam device to scan and verify their identity. First, the front of the identification is uploaded. Depending on the ID type, the back will then be requested. Through analysis of the photo on the ID and live face capture from the applicant's device, the identity of the applicant can be verified. The data from the photo identification is extracted and pulled into the application to pre-populate the applicant profile and minimize the data entry required from the applicant. The applicant can then complete their profile, filling in any missing pieces of information. Alternate addresses can be provided, and all addresses leverage the Google Address autocomplete capabilities to ensure efficient and accurate address population. Applicants can provide their contact information, which includes emails and can include both home and mobile phone numbers. Employment information is then collected, and the extent of information collected here can be configured based on the selected products. Declarations can then be collected. These are fully configurable for different application types or accounts. Declarations are intelligently grouped based on configurations or can be collected independently. Consents can be configured similarly and mapped to specific accounts through the back-end administrator panel. Once the applicant profile, declarations, and consents have been collected, the applicant is given an opportunity to review and update any provided information. Depending on the configuration, back-end integrations connect to third parties to validate the information provided by the applicant and cross-reference fraud or other watch lists. Joint applicants can be added to the application if required and will undergo a similar verification process. Product upsells for overdraft or alternate lending amounts can be introduced through the application flow, allowing the applicant to opt in to additional products. Member share amounts and content can be presented for new members, and additional deposit amounts can be specified for each eligible account on the application. Available funding options can be configured as part of each implementation and allow the applicant to select how they wish to fund their member share and/or account deposits. Documents can be auto-filled and presented for digital signature during the application flow, or deferred for post-application delivery during back-end account adjudication. Once the application is submitted, an application summary is presented and the application becomes available for adjudication in the back end by staff. The digital application flow also supports a full set of lending accounts, including loans, lines of credit, and even mortgages. For digital lending applications, applicants are able to provide their requested lending amount. Depending on the configuration, guarantors or cosigners can also be established, and the applicant can opt to use the lending facility for debt consolidation. Additional information is collected for lending applications, including asset information and proof of income, based on the configuration. The applicant provides their profile information, with some additional information collected during the employment and income sections. Credit reports are retrieved, with information automatically pulling from the report to facilitate quick lending pre-approvals. Asset information can then be collected and can be used for net worth calculations on unsecured account applications or to establish collateral for secured lending flows. The list of asset categories available can be configured for each type of lending account, and information for each asset is collected. Liability information is automatically retrieved from the applicant's credit report to support debt service ratio calculations behind the scenes. The applicant's income, credit report, assets, and liabilities are then used through the ASAPP OXP innovative rate and approval matrices to determine if the applicant is eligible for their selected lending account. Alternate amounts can be presented if an applicant does not meet the requirements for the requested amount, and a custom risk-based rate is calculated and displayed to the applicant once approved. Lending disclosure statements or agreements can be presented during the application for digital signature or deferred to post-application delivery. Within the back-end administrator panel, staff can review submitted applications. The lending decisioning results are made available for review, including the applicant's assets and liabilities. Any modifications to these details will update the respective debt service ratios in lending decisioning. Staff are able to request additional supporting documentation leveraging the document portal capabilities, which will allow applicants to securely upload additional required documentation for identity verification or proof of income validation. Checklists are available to ensure consistent processes are used during account and lending adjudication, with all checklist activities recorded and time-stamped to the applicable staff. Digital document packages can be deployed from the application and are delivered in a single consolidated document package, allowing applicants to quickly digitally sign all required documents. Once the applications are ready to commit to the core banking system, staff can leverage UniCore, a unified core banking connection engine to commit new members, accounts, collateral, and all selected accounts. This committal triggers automatic import into the ASAPP OXP CRM feature set. All applicant files can then be synced into the ASAPP OXP Enterprise Content Management feature set and become linked to members within their profiles for quick reference by staff when reviewing member CRM profiles in the future. The ASAPP OXP Backend Administrator panel includes a set of powerful capabilities allowing financial institutions to self-manage their ASAPP OXP implementation. This includes the ability to add new product categories and products at any time. Within each product, the configurations can be adjusted, including the full rate and approval matrices for lending applications. These adjustments are automatically change-tracked for a full history of any product changes. The ASAPP OXP document library allows financial institutions to upload and update forms for autofilling and digital signature collection internally without any support required by the ASAPP OXP implementation team. This means entire new products, decisioning matrices, and documents can be added, edited, or updated at any time by staff quickly and easily, without any additional costs or configuration hours required. This is just a glimpse of the capabilities available within the ASAPP OXP Origination Feature Sets. For more information or to book a demo, please visit asappbanking.com.